In today's video, I will walk you through how to add quantity in Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify account and access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Products. From there, select Inventory. This will take you to the section where you can view and manage inventory quantities for your products. Inside the inventory area, you'll see a list of products and their current stock levels. Before making any changes, choose the location where you want to update inventory. Use the Location drop-down menu and select the location you want to work with. Make sure the correct location is selected so that your inventory updates are applied to the right place. After selecting the location, find the product or product variant that you want to update. You can scroll through the inventory list or use the search option to quickly locate the item. Once you've found the product, you're ready to adjust the quantity. If you're updating a single product or variant, look for the on-hand or available quantity field beside that item. Click into the field and enter the new quantity you want to set. You can increase the quantity, decrease it, or replace the existing number with the correct inventory amount. If you're working with multiple variants or several products at the same time, select the items you want to update. After selecting them, click on Update Quantities. This will allow you to adjust quantities for the selected variants in one place. Enter the quantity values you want for each item and review them before continuing. Continue checking each product and variant to make sure the quantities entered are correct. This helps ensure that the inventory information shown in your store matches the stock you currently have available. Once all quantity adjustments have been entered, click Save. Saving your changes applies the updated inventory levels to the selected products and variants. After the changes are saved, Shopify will update the inventory records based on the quantities you entered. You can return to the inventory list and review the products to confirm that the updated quantities are displaying correctly. If needed, you can repeat the same process for additional products, variants, or locations. That's all there is to it. By going to Products, selecting Inventory, choosing the correct location, finding the product or variant, updating the quantity, and clicking Save, you can quickly add or adjust inventory quantities in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you successfully update product quantities in your Shopify store. Thank you for watching!